Hey YouTubers, good morning, good afternoon. This is going to be an unboxing video of FreeSolo S9, the Bluetooth headset. I have ordered this from Amazon for 1,399 and this has been delivered today. So let's see what's in it. Okay, after the cover has been opened up, this is how the box looks like. This has been imported by VCool. I think this is made in China and has been imported back in India. It says 4.1 Bluetooth profiling, Bluetooth compatibility, and also 6 to 8 hours of playing time, which is pretty good. Let's try it out and see what happens. It also says designed in USA, so that's quite amazing. Let's pop open the box and see what's in it. Cool. So we get a case with this and a thank you card. That's very nice of them. Please motivate us with a 5-star rating. Of course, let's use the product and see if that is worth 5 stars. Okay, so this comes with a small case, very nice looking, which is good for your travels. So you can just pop it in and get going. So inside the case, you have a few ear tips to adjust your size of the ear. Based on that, you can put it on USB, micro USB charging cable of the earphone and the earphone itself. Okay, let's pop it open. I should say it feels very light, and it has this magnetic attraction thing here, so it can get locked around your neck so it does not fall off, but I think it is not that great. It is just light effect here. The ear tips looks good. This is a soft thing here, which I think clips onto your ear when you run or jog or do any other exercise. This is mainly a sports earphone, Bluetooth earphone. It comes with these volume adjusters. It has a volume plus, minus, and I think this is to play or pause your music. That's pretty much in the box. Let's have a look at these ear tips quickly to see what kind of shapes and sizes are they. Let's get this open. There are a few actually, and they have also given a couple of other ear supporters, I would say, which is also very thoughtful of the company of adding these onto the box. I'm yet to test how the audio looks like, how the pairing works and everything. I will post it in my comment, but this was just a quick unboxing experience of the FreeSolo S9. Since no one has done this unboxing video on YouTube, I thought this might be of a little bit help to my fellow YouTubers who are planning to purchase a FreeSolo headphone. I have read a very good review on this on Amazon, and I hope this would stand up to the expectation. Great, this was all about the unboxing of this FreeSolo S9 Bluetooth headset, and I will post my comments how this works. This is a cool case by the by. Great, have a nice day, enjoy, bye.